Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you people are fine. It's me, Aksa. It's class 9th, week 1, and day 1. Our subject is PST. I'm from Army Public School and College Khanewal. This is F6 online sport program. Okay, let's start our today's lesson. Our today's topic is source of ideology. Today we will be able to know about the what are the sources of the ideology. Our today's objective is we will be able to know about the source of ideology and success criteria, follow the elements that leads to the ideology among the people. First of all, the ideology, meaning of the ideology. The word ideology is composed of two Greek words, ideo and logos. It literally means the science of study of ideas. The ideology of any nation reflects the ideals and aspiration of its people, and the religion, culture shape their thinking, which binds them together. As all of you know that the other countries got the freedom on the basis of their territorial, linguistic, and the racial basis, but Pakistan is the only country which came into being on the basis of the strong ideology, and it also reflects the ideals and the aspiration of the people of the religious and the cultural shape and think that the binds how the people are binds together. And the basis of the ideology of Pakistan is that the religion of Islam, which provide guidance to the Muslim in every period of life. So they are so backward, so they are the people who lives according to their this. Next is the ideology of Pakistan. What is the ideology of Pakistan? As you people know that the ideology of Pakistan is based on the religion, which provide the guidance to the Muslim in every period of life, or and the Islamic way of the living, and compasses all aspects of the human life. It has the basic principles with reference to the social, moral, political, religious, and economic fields. Islamic system is based on the Holy Quran and the Sunnah of the Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and Hadith. This very system was declared the basis of the Pakistan. Now let's discuss the source of ideology. First of all, the common religion. Number two, common race. Number three, common language and residency. Number four, common political purpose and the common outcomes. Customs. Okay, first of all is the common religion. The common religion is not only a set of the worships, but it has profound impact on the whole of the social life. Every religion maintains social relationships in the light of the specific ideas. For example, the European, the Japanese, the Hindus, and the Muslim went to live their lives according to their religious religion, respectively. Number two is the common race. The common ideas are originated from the common race. A common race give birth to common ideas. It is quite natural, and people belonging to the same race develop the sentiments of the sympathy and the brotherhood for each other. Russia is a strong bond which, because of the common ideas, binds the human beings in blood like the relationship. This is the common race. Common language and the residency. The language is means of the conveying the feelings, sometimes sentiments, and the thoughts to others. These helps to form new ideas. Similarly, in the ways of living and harmony in the ideas depend mostly on the common territory. Next is the common political purpose. Because of the common political purposes and political ideas, most of the nations of the present age try to achieve political their freedom for the survival of their national life, so they may become a strong nation. Next is the common custom. Common custom have played a very important role, or a vital role in the formation and the development of the ideas in every age. Common custom create ideological harmony with respect to the culture and the thoughts. So these are all the ideological sources of the ideology. I hope you people understand it very well. Our today's assignment is to learn the source of the ideology. If you have any question, you can ask. Thank you so much. I hope you people understand it very well, the source of the ideology.